So, you're wondering in your business, general liability versus professional liability. What's the difference? What's the big deal? Do I need them both? Well, don't worry, you're not alone. These two coverages sound super similar, but they protect your business in very different ways. Let's break it down easy to understand. So, typically your general liability is going to be for bodily injury, so people hurt, property damage, their belongings, or advertising injury that you or your employees might cause to others. One of the examples is you're a landscaper and your crew accidentally knocks a rock through a client's window. General liability is typically the coverage that covers this. Or a contractor and you're up on a ladder and you drop a hammer or some other tool or material and it hits somebody. That's typically what's going to cover them is the general liability. Now, this is going to help with medical bills and legal defense, physical claims and accidents, those types of things. But professional liability, sometimes referred to as errors and omissions, covers claims that stem from mistakes in your professional services, bad advice, or failure to deliver what was promised. So things like, let's say you're a consultant or a real estate agent and a client sues you for giving advice that cost them money. Professional liability would be the coverage to step up in this case. Or you're an architect or a surveyor and the blueprints or drawings that you have created cause delays and this caused the business owner to have expenses. The E&O coverage could step in to cover these types of things. In short, protection against intellectual or service-based mistakes, not physical ones, are going to be professional liability. So, who needs it? Well, on general liability, you're usually looking at contractors, retailers, trades, and on the professional side, usually consultants, agents, designers. Common mistakes or claims. On the general liability side, you'll have slip and falls or damage to property. On the professional side, missed deadlines, bad advice. So, these things, while separate, sometimes you might need them both. As a contractor, an errors and omissions coverage could pay you to go back and fix something that you installed improperly. Or it could pay for somebody else to go back and do it. Rather than having to lose money on a multiple $1,000 job that could potentially put you out of business, this type of coverage could save your business. So having both or having at least the one that is more important for your business is definitely a first step at protecting you and your business. So make sure you have the right coverage and understand these coverages and how they're going to affect you and your business. We're happy to help over here. Give us a call. No risk, no obligation, no cost. We'll review if you have a current policy or if you want to look at new options, new coverages. We're happy to help you and describe what you might be looking at. Again, give us a call, no obligation. Thank you.